video. Hello guys, in this video we can see how to install Node.js, and before installing the Node.js we can check Node.js already installed or not in my laptop. We go and write the cmd open write node-b. Here is show the message node is not recognized, means this software is not installed in my PC. And the second way you can check in control panel. Open a control panel. Here is it is not seen Node.js software, so we can go in browser and write Node.js. Here is the official website. Go the top menu, download option, and come bottom and click the operating system. My operating system is Windows. We have select the Windows, and here is click on the Windows installer. We have already installed the Windows. We have already installed the Node.js, so we can go and install the software. We have click on next and accept the license agreement and click on next and change the path. If you want, I want to change my customize the installation path, so we have customized this path. And before customize, create a Node.js folder and change your path and click on next and click on next and click on next and install button. Here is Node.js installed successfully, and close the command prompt and open next. Write node-b.